multiply and write a mixed number for the answer where appropriate. So if we end up with an answer that's an improper fraction, then we're going to write that as a mixed number. Easiest way to approach these, anytime we've got a mixed number, convert them to an improper fraction before we do operations on them. That goes for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So 3 1/2 is going to be 3 times 2 plus 1 over 2, which is going to give me 7 over 2. And 1 1/4 is going to be 1 times 4 plus 1 over 4, which is going to be 5 over 4. And now when we multiply straight across, so 7 over 2 times 5 over 4 is going to give me 35 over 8. And to write this as a mixed number, we're going to do our division. So 8 goes into 35 4 times, and that's going to be 32. Do my subtraction here with a remainder of 3, so 4 is my whole number over 3/8. Alright, next one here. 2 3/4 is going to be 2 times 4 plus 3 over 4, which is going to give me 8 plus 3 over 4, so 11 over 4. And the second number here is already just a fraction, so we can just multiply straight across now. 11 over 4 times 8 over 9 is going to give me 88 over 36. And we'll go ahead and do our division. So we can write this as a mixed number. So 88 divided by 36. 36 is going to go into 88 2 times, which will be 72. Bring that down here, do our subtraction. 88 minus 72 is going to give us 16. So this is 2 16 over 36. But we see that 16 and 36 both share a factor of 2, so we can simplify this. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 36 divided by 2 is going to give us 18. So now we've got 2 and 8 over 18, but we see that this could be simplified one more time. So 8 and 18 both share a factor of 2 again, so we get 4 and 9. So our final simplified answer here would be 2 4/9. Alright, so the first one here, we see 6 over 6. Remember, any number divided by itself is just 1, so this is 6 over 6 is equal to 1. And then we can convert 8 3/4 to an improper fraction, so that's 8 times 4 plus 3 over 4. So that's going to give us 32 plus 3, which is 35 over 4. So we're going to multiply straight across now. 1 times 35 over 4. In order to multiply a whole number by a fraction, we write it over 1. So straight across, multiply. This is 1 times 35, 1 times 4, which gives us 35 over 4. To write this as a mixed number, we want to do our division. 4 is going to go into 35 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. So we come back to our subtraction with a remainder of 3. So we've got 8 3/4. Alright, 7 1/2. Let's convert that to an improper fraction. So 7 times the denominator, which is 2, plus the numerator over the denominator, which is 2. So 14 plus 1, 15 over 2. 10 and 2 over 15. So 10 times 15 plus 2 over 15. So that's going to give us 150 plus 2, which is 152 over 15. Now we can multiply straight across, so 15 over 2 times 152 over 15. And if we multiply straight across, this is 15 times 152 over 2 times 15. 15 is shared in numerator and denominator. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 15 divided by 15 is 1. So we get 152 divided by 2. And we actually see here that both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. So 152 divided by 2 is going to be 76. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this actually is going to give us 76 over 1. And anything divided by 1 is just itself. So we get a final answer here of 76.